Now, finally, we wake up to a morning and we don't have to worry about Terra Luna Classic sending some other proposal through where the burn tax is reduced even more. We don't necessarily have any major spend. Well, we do have one major spend proposal out there with that 150,000. We've discussed that before, but there are no new major spend proposals by the Terra Rebels or any other developers or validators that would cause much more spending on the blockchain. And the 150,000 has not passed yet, so we still got some time on that one. And we really don't have much going on in terms of new innovation or anything like that. But we do need to take a look at a couple things here when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, and that is price action, and that is this engagement, because engagement is falling even further. Less and less people seem to be excited, less and less people seem to be mentioning and talking about Terra Luna Classic, and it really is because the price action has been extremely stagnant for several days, going into several weeks right now, and it's causing a lot of people to lose interest. So let's discuss it. Of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, do whatever you want on their exchanges and send off to the DeFi wallets and so on, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. And of course, they do have Terra Luna Classic available if you would like to buy it there. So make sure to check those out, guys. But let's discuss what is going on. Price action, stagnation, and a declining social media presence. So let's first talk about the social media presence, and then we'll go into some levels of support and resistance that are going to be absolutely critical to maintain or break if we expect Terra Luna Classic to not just survive, but thrive during this bear market and into the next bull market. Now, social media analytics, they are declining pretty heavily. The price for Terra Luna Classic is down slightly just over the last week, but social media analytics with mentions only came in at 94,000 mentions on social media over the last 1 week period, and that is a drastic drop from just a couple of months ago, but it's even a drop from last week. So you're looking at roughly a 10% decline in social media mentions from the last week, and roughly a 90% decline from social media mentions when Terra Luna Classic was running up to those 60,000 point per coin levels. If you look at social media engagement levels, also down, but down heavier, down roughly 25% over the last 1 week period, and still down a little over 90%. Social media engagement coming in at just over 100 million different engagements. That's likes, comments, shares, retweets, any of the stuff that would consider you engaging with another post that mentions Terra Luna Classic. And that is down drastically from the billion plus that we were seeing just a couple of months ago. Now, how does it stack up? I like to compare things to Shibainu coin, because of course Shibainu coin has one of the greatest communities in cryptocurrency, one of the strongest, and of course because Shibainu coin is one of those meme coins that absolutely rallied beyond anybody's wildest expectations. So if you look at Shibainu coin, volume is down drastically, but the social media engagement still outpaces where Terra Luna Classic currently is. Not by much, though. Not by much. Social media engagement for Shiba Inu coin, just over 200 million. So you're looking at roughly a doubling of Terra Luna Classic. And then the social media mentions were just a little over 100,000. So Terra Luna Classic still doing very well in comparison to one of the largest community crypto coins that is in existence. Now, obviously, we know there's a direct correlation between price action in Terra Luna Classic or any cryptocurrency or asset and the social media mentions and so on, excitement that's out there. Now, we would expect the price to be a little bit lower, actually, than where it currently is if it was following one for one, with 10% declines in social media engagement and then 10% decline in the price action. But the price is actually holding up relatively well compared to everything that's been going on, and especially compared to the decline in the social media activity. So if you look at the price right now, trading right around that 16,000 to 17,000 point per coin range, this is a major channel that we've been trending sideways in for really the last several days, yes, but even into the last several weeks, with the exception of a few bumps to the upside and a few bumps to the downside. So if you're looking at major levels of support, this 15.5 to 16,000 is a major level of support for Terra Luna Classic. I don't want to talk about breaking to the downside, but if it does, we are absolutely likely to retest to 12,000 points per coin, or maybe even get back down into the 10,000, or even add a zero if the catalyst to the downside is strong enough to kind of shake the community. We do have one of the strongest communities out there, so I'll let you guys determine whether or not we would see a catalyst that would absolutely shake it. But the downside support is very important, and we need to maintain that 15.5 to 16,000 point per coin level of support that we have out there. Now, Terra Luna Classic resistance. The good news is we're very close to the resistance levels, and we can test them. The bad news is we may not have the firepower to break up through them. So if you're looking at Terra Luna Classic resistance levels, we've got like 17.5 to 18, a little bit of a range right there. And we have tried to test the 17.5 to 18,000 point per coin range of resistance on Terra Luna Classic several times. Not necessarily breaking through it, but the good news is, if we do, 22,000 points per coin is the next major level of resistance that we have on the chart, which would lead to a very nice gain of roughly 25% from where we currently are. So basically, if you're looking at it, it's 25% drop down if we break through the tight channel, and a 25% rise up if we break through the upper end of the Terra Luna Classic channel. It's all going to depend on market conditions. You know, with everything going on in the Terra Luna Classic community right now, it seems to be that if we can survive this wallet mishap, if we can survive the burn tax changing once again, the people that are currently in Terra Luna Classic seem to be very committed to the growth of the coin, and that is what matters. If we stay here, if we outlast this bear market, there is a very healthy chance that we see some massive gains, you know, not only in Terra Luna Classic, but the entire cryptocurrency market as well. So I want to know, of course, what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below on these support and resistance levels. And do your best. Engage with the video. Share the video. Send some tweets out there. Let's get some excitement going on for Terra Luna Classic once more. And of course, with that button right there still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.